The second scene is based on John chapter 7, where the Jews ask Jesus about his knowledge of the scriptures. On the fourth day of the Feast of the Tabernacles, Jesus ascended to the temple and then began to teach the crowds. The Jews were amazed and asked how this Galilean from Nazareth can know the books. How does he teach without proper training under the hands of a rabbi? As it says, the Jews were astonished at it, saying, "How does this man have such learning?" Or in other translations, knows the letters or writings, when he has never been taught, as in John chapter 7, verse 15. The phrase knows the writings suggests that Jesus knew how to read. However, the question posed by the Jews to Jesus on his knowledge of the writings is more than just a question about his literacy, since one could have become a rabbi after being a disciple to one of the great and well-known rabbis. But in the case of Jesus, he was not a rabbi because of his discipleship to a well-known rabbi, but instead, he was a rabbi out of his own authority. Thus, the question the Jews posed here was concerned with the credibility of Jesus' knowledge of the writings and his teachings, since he was not taught by one of the great rabbis.